How to pay a Verizon bill for someone else. To pay a Verizon bill for someone else, there are three main options. First of all, if you have the person login credentials, you can access their My Verizon account online and make a payment using the available payment methods associated with the account. After that, if you don't have the account login details, you can contact Verizon customer service and request to be added as an account manager on their account. Once added, you will be able to view the bill and pay it using your own payment details. And finally, you can visit a Verizon store in person with the account details. You can make a payment at the store directly. Each method depends on the access you have to the account or the person's information. By following these steps, you can easily pay a Verizon bill for someone else.